Now, I could type cd and add here 2 dots, and 2 dots represent parent folder. And with such command, I could go to parent folder of the current folder, current directory. And it is users. If I press enter now, I will be placed in the /users. I could go back to Bogdan by entering cd and Bogdan, like that. Now I am again in the /users/Bogdan. If I type cd and dot, nothing will change, because dot represents current directory. I could also move 2 levels up by entering 2 dots / and 2 dots. Now I will be in the root directory.